What's up, y'all? It's Isaiah here, back with Classy Customs. We got this beautiful Bentley Flying Spur S. It's a V8, got over 500 horsepower, and it's about $250,000 of a car. We're going to be doing tint all the way around our ceramic film Pinnacle series, rejects 88% of the heat, and we're going to be blacking this thing out celebrity style. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you're wanting to see in our next videos. Outside of that, we love you, we appreciate you, keep it classy, and let's get into it.